1. Blobfish. A deep-sea fish with a jelly-like body and drooping face. It helps maintain deep ocean ecosystem balance by feeding on small organisms and organic debris. 2. Proboscis monkey. A monkey with an unusually large nose, native to Borneo. It plays a role in forest ecosystems by spreading seeds through fruit consumption. 3. Eye. A strange-looking nocturnal lemur with long fingers. It controls insect populations by extracting larvae from trees. 4. Warthog. A wild pig with tusks and facial warts. It helps aerate soil while digging and supports savanna food chains. 5. Naked mole rat. A nearly hairless rodent with wrinkled skin. It contributes to soil turnover and is important in underground ecosystems. 6. Star-nosed mole. A mole with a star-shaped nose. It helps control insect populations in wetland soils. 7. Marabou stork. A large bald-headed bird often seen as unattractive. It cleans environments by feeding on carrion. 8. Gharial. A crocodile with a very thin snout. It helps regulate fish populations in rivers. 9. California condor. A giant scavenger bird with a bald head. It prevents disease spread by consuming dead animals. 10. Hagfish. A slimy eel-like creature. It cleans the ocean by feeding on dead or dying marine animals. 11. Goblin shark. A rare deep-sea shark with a protruding jaw. It plays a role in deep-sea predator balance. 12. Tarsier. A small primate with huge eyes and strange proportions. It controls insect populations in tropical forests. 13. Axolotl. A permanently aquatic salamander with external gills. It helps maintain freshwater ecosystem balance. 14. Shoebill. A large bird with a shoe-shaped beak. It controls fish and amphibian populations in wetlands. 15. Commodore dog. A dog with long cord-like fur. It protects livestock from predators. 16. Saiga antelope. An antelope with a large flexible nose. It helps maintain steppe grassland balance through grazing. 17. Vulture. Scavenger birds often considered unattractive. They prevent disease by cleaning carcasses in nature. 18. Frilled shark. An eel-like shark with primitive features. It helps maintain deep-sea food chain stability. 19. Blobfish relative deep-sea anglerfish. A deep-sea fish with a glowing lure. It attracts prey and balances deep ocean ecosystems. 20. Tideling turtle-headed fish, wrasse. Some wrasse species have unusual facial shapes. They clean parasites off other fish in coral reefs.